Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. Today on the channel, we're making a delicious smoked pork tenderloin. Now, believe it or not, there are a lot of ways that you can make a pork tenderloin. It is definitely one of the unsung heroes of the meat community, but it's one of my absolute favorite things to make. So today I'm going to show you a method where this tenderloin is going to come out incredibly juicy, incredibly flavorful, and then you can slice it and do any number of things with it. So let's get started. Alright, here we have our roughly 2.5 pound pork tenderloin. Not to be confused with a pork loin, which is much larger and bigger, as I learned in a previous video. This is actually the tenderloin, so it's going to be, as it implies in the name, much more tender and juicy. Sort of like the filet mignon of pork. Alright, and out of the package, there we have it. Now, I'm not really going to do any sort of trimming to this. Yeah, there's a little fat there, but most of that's going to render, especially because of the way I'm going to make it. So let me show you that. So the first thing I'm going to do is add a little bit of apple juice into this foil pan. Yes, I'm using a foil pan. You can make this directly on your grates. Absolutely, most people do. But I like this method for something that I'm going to show you in a second. Next, I'm going to season, and I'm going to season today using the Pit Boss All-Purpose GSP Rub. That's right, salt, pepper, garlic. And just come right over the top, just like that. It's okay if it gets in the juice. It actually should get in the juice. It's gonna be more flavor. That smells really good. Next, I'm gonna put in just a little bit of Worcestershire into my kind of liquid there. Again, just added flavor. And finally, some rosemary on each side and some fresh thyme as well. Now what that's going to do is it's going to hydrate these herbs using that solution, and so that's going to allow for more and more flavor to occur in this liquid, which is then going to end up penetrating this meat, and we're going to have something that's out of this world. So it may not look like much right now, but trust me, when this comes out of the smoker, it's going to be unbelievable. Alright, I am smoking today using my Pit Boss Savannah Onyx edition. If you've been around the channel for a while, you know it is my go-to kind of all-purpose smoker. It's what I use for just about everything here on the channel as of late. And speaking of things that I use regularly, we're using the Pit Boss Competition Blend pellets. They are the most well-rounded, versatile, kind of standard use pellet that I've been able to find. They're not overpowering, they are just the right amount of that delicious wood flavor. The temperature is 225 degrees Fahrenheit inside the smoker right now, and at that temperature, it's probably going to take this pork loin about 2 hours to come to the internal temperature that I'm looking for, which in this case is 145 degrees Fahrenheit. So with all that said, let's go ahead and get this on the smoker. We'll just put it right on the main rack. So there we go, and I'll see you in a couple hours. All right, right at the 2 hour mark, and there we have it. Man, that looks delicious and smells incredible. Just have a look at that. All right, now we've got to slice into this to see how we did. Right in the middle here. Oh, so tender. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look how juicy that is. Nice little smoke ring there. Oh, this is going to be great. All right, let's slice a little piece here. It's going to be time to try this. Wow. You know what? Here's the power move. Go back into the juice. A little dipping sauce, as it were. Here we go. Smoked pork tenderloin. Oh my gosh. Holy smokes. Wow. That is supremely tender. Juicy, juicy, juicy. I'll say it again. Holy smokes. This is phenomenal. You could serve this with like some mashed potatoes. You could actually put it in your fridge and let it sit there overnight and then make like a sandwich out of it cold the next day. It's very, very versatile. You can make it a lot of different ways, but whatever way you make it, you gotta make it. It is so incredible. And a pork tenderloin is not very expensive. I think this one was like 14 bucks or so. You've got to get one and try it. Well, thanks once again for tuning into the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. If you like what you see here, please click that thumbs up. That really does help other people find the content that we're putting out here. And make sure that you hit that subscribe button so that you're one of the first people to know as soon as we post new, delicious outdoor cooking content. And if you're looking for some other creative pork recipes to do on your smoker, check out one of these 2 pork-related recipes of things that we've made here outdoors on the channel, and I'll see you next time.